Good afternoon, everybody. Well, I just want to say, Patrick, you should say something as well. No, I just want to say thank you very much. Long time coming. We've been planning this for a while. We've been wanting to do this years in the making yata to. Last month, it's of course may bagyo, tinamaan pa. So, but then we're just happy we're all here together today to celebrate that. This is about you as well. I appreciate this. Di ko bakit ako po ako dito. But thank you very much, and ano mangyayari? Can you introduce yourself? How long have you been together? Explain na. Para magbigyan mo na ako.
29 years. Thank you for coming. Thank you sa mga nag-organize. Salamat. Let me begin.
Ang Bago Express Line 1 and 2? Yes. Kailangan di mabreak ang line.
Ready ka?
We're ready. Wala nang trial to.
Ganito. Wait to. Ready? Get set? Go! Go!
Ang galing ah! Diretso na! Hindi kayo mabreak ang line ha? Yung ina dyan!
Oy, ano?
So what can I say again? I just want to say thank you very much for this day. Thank you. Weird nga nung, I guess, nung nag-ask ako last week, hindi ko naman alala. Hindi ko naman 30 years old eh. No? Sa totoo lang, okay, sa 30 years na pala. And then when I see everyone here, I can see definitely it's been chapters in my sort of career, no? And may maganda nangyari once in a while. Nasana na napansin ko, if you've been watching me from the start to even today, there is something that's changed in me as well. I come now on stage with a purpose, with a sense of joy, di ba? Na dati nung nag-umpisa ako, hindi pa nangyayari yun. It takes time to parang develop that, I guess. It takes time. So now it's such a great time to be where I am at now. But as a performer, as a singer, as a songwriter. So, hindi ko nabilang yung 30 years, but looking at all of you, I see the different chapters now as well. And ang dami nangyari maganda rin from the 30 years to the tour with Sarah, with the River Maya reunion. So it's all come together at the right time. So, and you're all here, to witness this. We're all doing this together. So I'm very grateful and thankful. And I want to thank my manager, Pancho Gonzalez, who's been here for 29 years. And when Pancho came on board, there was one thing I said: I only want to work with friends. That was the rule to it. I wanted it to be not about everything else. I just wanted to be with someone I genuinely loved and enjoyed being with. And that's Pancho, which I drive him crazy. Totoo yan, okay? Pero naiintindihan niya ako, so that's a good thing. Yun ang balance. And then my band is not here. I'll say thank you, of course, the guys from River Maya, but my band from Via to Abe, Via being the first one I worked with, and then Abe being the rookie. Ang ganda yun, niloko namin siya, rookie ko rin siya, and ilang years na siya sa amin, play with us. So maraming salamat for being that journey, and tuloy-tuloy na kami. I'm here for the music, I'm here for us, and I can't wait for the next album. Thank God, medyo mahirap gumawa ng album pag sabay-sabay dami nangyayari. At na-discover ko rin na hindi ko kaya, I can't walk and chew them at the same time. Yung ginawa ko ng voice, dinedicate ko sarili ko sa voice. I promise you that. Like, I gave myself 100% to those kids, diba? So, now that chapter is over, it's on to the next one again. So, thank you for being here. Let's see what happens next. So, medyo curious ako eh. Next year, madami na nangyayari, nandito pa yung sabihin sa inyo. But a lot's gonna happen. 2026 na. So, thank you. And ang Abe, sure. So, pinapahirapan ko si Abe kasi gusto ko gumawa ng ganda na hindi ko usually ginagawa sa mga shows ko na yun. Di ba? Kasi, of course, when we do fiestas, we do certain shows, there's a certain set list we have to stick to. Kasi we do it for the people eh. Di ba? We're invited to a province sa Rascal, di ba? I mean, sa malayong lugar ng Pilipinas, o ng mundo, and there's a certain show they expect, and there's a certain love they want to see on stage, and it's something we want to give back to them. But today, since you are very familiar with the song, we'll try to do stuff na hindi tayo masyado familiar. Well, ito, medyo familiar na. Medyo. Let's do that. Life is love for reasons of its own, and no water for reasons na parang just me finally doing something on my own na parang hindi mo alam ano mangyayari bukas, diba? Parang gano'n. But it was written same as No Water, Life is Love, sila yung parang magkapatid sa akin. That's the parang connection naman sa akin. Ayun.
Pain needs to freedom. It's everyone's opinion, not mine. Faith, crystal kingdom. It's everybody's mission, not my own. Not too young, not that old, not a good one, not a cold. You just an optimist. Just a little cynical. Don't look low, don't be afraid. Love is stronger than it all, stronger than this soul divided. All these years I never really knew what love is. Found you, I found you. All these years I never really knew what love is. Found you, found you.
Ito, Coach Mike. Coach.
Nice to know.
Bye, thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you. So, we'll go to the photo booth, take photos, and then mamaya, sana rin sa buong group, you can take a photo. I brought my camera. I want to, take a camera for all of us here, so sana. Thank you. Sure, nakita ko lang.
Head, shoulder, nose, anak, shoulder, head, knees, 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 nose, nose, knees, shoulder, knees, bakal. Lahat ng bakal maiwan, lahat ng bakal maiwan. Okay, okay, nose, nose. No, hindi na kasi. Okay, partner ulit. Sige na lang. Sige na. Sige na. Sige na ba? Okay. Sige na. Sige na. Okay. Head, shoulder, knees, toes, toes, shoulder, knees, knees, toes, shoulder, shoulder, head, toes, buttons. Okay, next, may buttons.
say thank you very much to everyone here. Let me go down the line. So, thank you to Ashbu. Thank you to the Believers, BNL Fanatics, Bamboo Global, Bamboo International Angels, Bamboo Q Squad, and Team Panda. It's been great. 2024. Thank you for bearing witness. Thank you na nandito tayo lahat. And we're just enjoying life. We're all connected. And again, thank you for your support, your love. And I can't wait to go out there and I guess I feel na since matagal na tayo nagkakasama, I feel na every time we get on that stage, kami na Pancho, it's magkakasama tayo dun. We bring that flag. We're all a part of this, right? So it's something that brings me pride. It pushes me to be the best artist, the best performer, the best singer I could be. Thank you for doing that and making me that person, right? And I just wanna wish you all well and go out there in the world, right? Find purpose, do good, right? Find purpose and do good in the world, right? Whether it's through me or through yourselves, let's do that together. 100% sa support ako sa inyo, right? Pinapatuloy niyo sa akin support, papatuloy ko sa inyo. I just appreciate you guys so much. I'm game. So again, thank you very much for this get together, this 30th anniversary. I can't believe it's been that long. And salamat. Much.